Okay, we have this plan put here, and we're gonna design it on the SolidWorks power surfacing plugin. So let's begin. First, I'm gonna go to the top plane and draw a circle, and the circle is gonna be 250 millimeters. Okay, just exit the sketch, go to bar surfacing, and insert a cylinder. So I'm gonna just apply as everything here, keep everything, and just scale it. Okay, now I'm going to select the center, and from this button here I'm just gonna invert the selection and delete. So now I have this nice cylinder, and I'm gonna select these two edges and just scale them down. Go to the bottom and select this circle. Let's go to invert the reference first, our circle here, and apply. Then select this edge, tell them to edge. Okay, so I'm gonna take this edge now, and I'm gonna just make it at the bottom here. Okay, so now I just going to extrude this maybe until here with the A key, and so you can see now it's just maybe just taller. Okay, now insert a one on the center, and as you see, okay, we just make this scale a little. And let's input these details here. So you got 3 edges around here. I'm going to crease this and scale it, and crease this also, scale down a little, go up a little. Okay, now let me just decrease this crease here. So maybe you just need to insert another one here and scale a little. Okay, that's similar. I just need to get this down a little. Alright, now the other details here gonna be the same operation, but just make it wider, and I'm gonna crease this to maybe 55 and scale this down a little. So you can see now you are getting this kind of details. It's just maybe more wider, so I'm gonna just scale it down a little. Okay, and you got another tiny one at the bottom here, so I'm gonna just crease those 3 and get to the one on the center and just scale down a little. So now you can see that you have all the details. Maybe just make it a little bit wider. All right. You just stretch it a little. And what else? You can adjust this edge here, override constraints, and make it no tangency. Okay, so now you can see that I can go to convert, and get to surfaces and fillet surface. So I'm going to select all of these edges around and close it. Okay, then go to the net surface and select these two, merge entities. Then you got here the put as you need. Okay. Maybe I can remove the constraint. Clear our reference. And let's make these vertices smooth. All right, and then just convert again, edit the surface, fill, select these two edges. Now the net's gonna be fixed, and maybe we can try to make a thickness. The surface thickness and 2 millimeters. Apply. Okay, so that's how you can make this nice bit. You can go back and edit. Maybe just add a color. So if I just edit this feature, you can see that I have ability to change on it. Maybe let's make a copy and change the shape. And maybe with this edge face loop, and apply the soft selection, increase it a little, maybe a little more, and here. Okay. Here is another example. I can just copy this and make more shapes. So it's just fun doing any shapes you need. You can even insert a crease here. We just like this and small like this. So So you can see now. Let's take another example. Copy this. And maybe we can make this taller. And let's put this up here. And a little bit here also. Maybe the bottom. Here. So this is an example. You can do whatever, maybe hundreds of shapes you need, and they all just gonna be around 25 centimeters. Let me just close those surfaces. I'm gonna hard this edge and bevel inside. Then I'm going to quadfold and the same abrasion up here. Then I'm just convert it. Delete this surface fill. And let's just try to thickness. Make it outside thickness. Okay. Alright, so now we just need to thickness them out inside the bar surfacing here. So I have these 4 bodies. I can't thickness them all at one time. So I'm gonna just hide this 3 and get this one. Go to Mesh Tools, thickness. Now I just need to make it 2 millimeters and apply. Then show the rest of the bodies. Go to hide the one you thickness it. Select this. Just hide this 2. Select this one. Go to Mesh Tools again and repeat the process. Now 2 millimeters. Go to unhide, hide them all. Now use thickness here. Okay, so now all the parts are just thicknessed. Let's try to convert now. Okay, now I have my 4 bodies and they all just thicknessed. And as you see, we just insert a color. So that's for how you can do Simput with the bar surfacing add-on.